Hi guys, so you've been out and about all day, you've come back, you've done what you needed to do. I'm going to show you a little tip just to help you keep on top of your knife and keep your knife absolutely honed sharp. This doesn't need any special equipment except for maybe the most expensive knife sharpener that you're ever going to buy. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this edge of the car window. Now glass is much harder than steel, and the edge of the car window has a nice ground round surface to it, so it works almost like a ceramic rod. So we'll take our knife. This one has a convex grind, so a round ceramic is actually perfect for this. And all we're going to do is we're going to cut across the glass, coming down, coming back. Now I don't know if you can hear that noise, but that's what you're listening for. You're maintaining your angle, and you're doing approximately 6 to 8 strokes on each side. Doesn't really matter. But what you'll see is you'll see a nice thin little grey line across the centre of your glass, just along the top. And that is the metal coming off your blade. So you don't need to apply very much pressure, just light little strokes. And then in theory, I remember where I put my piece of paper. Aha! You should have a nice sharp knife.